Welcome to PK Maths channel. Today we are discussing one important 5-mark question, integration. Integral root of x square minus a square dx is equal to x by 2 root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. It's a derivation, very important. So how to solve this question? You know integral u v dx formula? U integral v dx minus integral d by dx of u integral v dx on dx. So you can consider let I is equal to given question, integral root of x square minus a square into 1 dx. This is u and this is v. Now I is equal to u root of x square minus a square integral 1 dx minus integral d by dx of root of x square minus a square into integral 1 dx on dx. I is equal to root of x square minus a square into what is integral 1 x minus integral d by dx of root x 1 by 2 root x 1 by 2 root of x square minus a square into, this is not x, so chain rule, d by x of x square 2x, d by x of x square 0, leave it, into integral 1 is x dx. This 2 get cancelled. I is equal to x into root of x square minus a square minus integral x into x square by root of x square minus a square dx. Now in numerator you can add and subtract a square, minus a square plus a square. I is equal to x root of x square minus a square minus integral, just to separate the terms, x square minus a square by root of x square minus a square dx minus into plus minus a square into integral 1 by root of x square minus a square dx. Just a separated denominator for both the numerator terms. I is equal to x root of x square minus a square minus integral. This numerator you can write as root of x square minus a square whole square. Because we want to cancel the denominator, that's why I wrote like that. Dx minus a square into, we know this formula is log mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus c1. This term cancel. I is equal to x root of x square minus a square minus, this is nothing but given question I, minus a square into log mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus c1. This minus side transfer left hand side. 2y is equal to x root of x square minus a square minus a square into log mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus c1. 2 transfer left and right hand side. I is equal to x by 2 root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log mod x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Then c is equal to c1 by 2. See once again discussion. So they asked to prove this one. So I consider the given question is I, and I wrote root of x square minus a square into 1. We know uv formula. In the formula, in place of u root of x square minus a square, in place of v 1 I substitute. After that, divide x of root x 1 by 2 root x. This is not x square divided to 2x, a square divided to 0, integral 1 is x, 2 cancel, x and x square. In numerator, add and subtract a square, minus a square plus a square. Then separate the terms. Then this numerator write root of x square minus a square whole square. Then denominator, numerator one term cancel. This is nothing but I. Minus side transfer left hand side 2i. 2 transfer right hand side, c1 by 2 is nothing but c. For 5 marks, with this they can give one more question also. How they can give question I can explain to you. Integral root of, suppose x square plus 2x minus 3 dx given. How to solve this question? Integral root of x square plus 2x. First 2 terms you write as it is. Now you see what is the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 2. What is half of 2? 1. So plus 1 square minus 1 square minus 3 dx. This is called completing the square method. What is meant by completing square method means this is not in the form of x square minus a square. So we can convert into that form. Integral, the first 3 terms is in the form of x plus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 dx. Integral root of x plus 1 whole square minus 2 square dx. It is looking like x square minus a square. Now it is same formula. In place of it, x plus 1 is there, x plus 1 by 2 root of x plus 1 whole square minus 2 square minus a square by 2. 2 square by 2 log mod x plus 1 plus root of x plus 1 whole square minus 2 square plus c. The final answer x plus 1 by 2 root of x square plus, if you expand this you will get quotient 2x minus 3 minus 2 and 2 cancel, 2 into log mod x plus 1 plus root of x square plus 2x minus 3 plus c. For more integration, formula proofs, derivations and questions, follow PK Maths channel and subscribe, press bell button.